started working for my dad at the family business, Smiley's Incorporated. It's a welding and machine shop in Mount Vernon, Washington. And for what I would say the next 2 decades, I worked as a metal fabricator, and then I also managed the sandblasting and painting operations at the shop. And you know, it really wasn't until 2005 when my dad and I became interested in restoring World War II military vehicles. It started out as a hobby, and then it eventually grew into a service that Smiley's Incorporated could provide. Over time, our reputation as restorers grew, and we were approached by the museum to do a restoration on the M55 self-propelled gun. And well, the rest is history, because the M55 now sits proudly on display in Hangar B at the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum. Our day-to-day operations, it's different every day. I could be doing anything from disassembling the breech of an artillery piece, pulling the power plant out of the M60, swapping out track on a tank, fabricating a display fixture, giving an educational lecture. Of course, operating artifacts is a big thing. And I also choreograph all of our armor shows. I'd say it's the German 88 Flak 37 gun. Mostly because it's probably the first World War II German artifact that I've done kind of extensive study and research on. And mostly because I have a special interest in anti-tank weapons. And this weapon is surely one of the most notable for doing such things during World War II. My favorite tank? It's got to be the M60. It's just fun to drive, it's big, it's loud, and it's obnoxious. I mean, what could be more fun? I'm the most proud of preserving the military history. I think it's really important, and I think it's really important to honor the lives and stories of those people, men and women who have served alongside these amazing artifacts. I enjoy being part of such a dynamic, talented, and dedicated team of people who we are all working together to deliver a museum experience like nowhere else. And last but not least, anytime I get to make something go boom, that is a great day. Well, the amazing people that I get to work with every day, that's huge. The chance to learn something new every day, and I love being surrounded by military history. I love preserving it, and I love trying to keep it alive for all of you folks.